All right, this is called managing your experience. So here I am looking at the weather, and it says it's going to rain for the next hour, as you can see, and then it's going to clear up. So I'm just sitting here. Let's see if I can go to the camera. Watching some golf, and can you hear the rain outside? You can see it. So it's coming down pretty hard. So I'm not going to go out at 3. I'm going to wait an hour, and then I'll go out at 4 once the rain stops. Don't like driving in the rain. So that's how I manage my time, so that I'm not driving in the rain, because it gets slippery, a lot more chance of an accident. So being cautious. Even the hummingbirds aren't showing up. So initially they said half an hour. Now they're saying it's been half an hour. Now they're saying another hour. And I've been hearing thunder. And I haven't seen any lightning because the sky's pretty white and it's daytime. But there must be some lightning, obviously, if there's thunder. So I'm going to continue to drive. I'm going to go get some gas and then drive, and I'll just drive very carefully in the rain. It's not nighttime, so that makes it a lot easier to drive in the rain. And I'll just drive uber careful, as I've done for years and years. So there you go, how the weather can impact your driving.